Greetings, everyone. So yesterday we got the main line pulled through the conduit from the corner of the garage here out to where the meter box is. And today I want to go ahead and get the breaker panel mounted in here in the garage. And we had picked up a couple of 2x6s to finish off the wall studs here. I kind of left this bay open, not knowing what size panel was going to go in here. So we'll go ahead and get that started. So as fast as I got started this morning, I had to stop because I realized as soon as I got this male adapter out that a 3-inch conduit will not go into this box. So it has a knockout for 2.5 inch. So what I ended up having to do was head down the hill to my electric supply, and they call these swedge reducers, and I had to reduce down to 2.5 so I could get into the electrical box from my 3-inch. The 2.5 is still more than enough for the wire that I have. I just oversized the run to make sure that it was an easy pull. Not very clean.
Well, that wire lube is making it run like crazy too. It doesn't look the same.
All right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
There we go. All right. Now we got to just cut a short piece of 2.5 to go up there. It's just barely there.
Okay.
Yeah.
A little more of that? Okay.
A little higher, yeah.
A little higher too? Okay.
Oh, that's all right. That was my fault.
Just looking back there.
Yeah, looks good. Okay.
What you looking at?
There is a spot here for the ground too, but I think they don't want the ground and the neutral tied together at this point. It's only supposed to be tied together out there, so
Okay.
we'll have to put the little grounding block in here.
folded.
No pressure.
Right?
That's right. Nobody watches my videos anyway.
Yeah. That's pretty tight.
All right. So now that we know where the panel's going to be, we're going to put in a couple of studs. I had left this area open, not knowing how this panel was going to lay out. So let's get that done. And now everything is ready in the garage panel for inspection. So there is the final product on the meter box. And now we are all ready for the county inspection tomorrow. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I want to thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.